Alright, exercising with the baby. Exercising with the baby. Ready? Pick him up. Here we go. He's a big pounder. He's a big pounder. Oh, I think I got something in my eye. Alright. And then we flat him out on the belly. Ava, stop. Ava, quit. Go away. Ava, no. Go lay down. Grab him by the armpits in the crotch area. And we go 1, 2, 3. Ava. 4. Ava. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Ava, and 10. Next time, doggy goes in the crate. Wow! Hey, go away. Jesus. And then baby stands up. Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. 20 pounds. Yes. Ava. Arms are killing me. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Okay, hang on. And then the flying baby. Flying baby. Flying baby. Okay, ab workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we hope baby doesn't show up on this one. We hope baby doesn't show up on this. Okay. Oh. And relax. And relax. And relax. Oh, Jesus. Ava, stop it. Okay. Rotate the bed onto the mat. Ava, stop. Go lay down. Go. I know. You tell her then. Here's in your face. Ready? Rotate. Down. Gently. Boom. We're on the floor. All right. Let me get up.